How to create curved text in Canva. First, select a template. Click the plus sign to add elements. Click text to add your text. Click Font to change the font style. Next, find the effects beside spacing. Select Shape. Then select Curve. Now you can try to move right to the left if you want the text going up or going down. And just like this. You can add more effects using Style. Just try other effects to use. You can also change the color of the shade here. We're done. Thank you for watching.